officer responded to a disturbance at a Tractor Supply. When he arrived, he found a customer causing a scene over a strange complaint.
Hello. Did you call us? Okay. What's going on?
He's cursing me out because of
I'm not cursing.
Just one at a time.
One at a time. I bought this meat a while ago.
Okay.
This meat is not regular U.S. meat.
Okay.
It is something that is unedible.
Okay.
Okay. It was, if you don't like it, bring it back. I brought it back. You don't want to give me my money back.
Okay.
And he says it's only guaranteed for freezer burn.
Okay.
Not guaranteed if you like it or not, against freezer burn, that's all. Which I never seen that before. And I do not see any signs posted about him being legally able to sell this food at this location at all. I don't see any kind of statute or any type of paperwork saying that, listen, it's USDA grade meat.
Mm-hmm.
It has been approved. You have a license by the
Was any of that here when you first bought it?
Pardon me?
Was any of that here when you first bought it?
Yes, sir.
Pardon me?
Was any of that here when you first bought it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, all of it.
No,
Yeah.
no, the stuff you're saying is not here now.
Yeah, no, it's not. I don't recall. I don't recall it being
Okay.
here or not
He
being
took
here.
it home with him. It's actually
But all
on the
I'm
boxes.
saying is he has no license to sell here.
Okay.
There's
You
no
have the
license.
boxes with you?
He has them.
No, do you have any
Oh,
boxes?
yes, I can show you, sir.
This meat,
The
okay,
box of meat.
it's worse than horse meat. It's not even meat.
Okay.
So it comes inspected and passed.
I will
all of
gladly
this.
give you one of these steaks and take home and cook. You can tell me what you think.
I'm not cooking.
Beef steak variety package. It's
Look
USDA
at the
inspected
info.
and passed.
I can't talk to both of you at the same time. I'll say it one last time.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So the beef, the only ingredient, we're actually one of the only companies out here that do all natural. So the only ingredient in there is beef. We don't do all the other stuff with all
That
the
doesn't tell me
pumps.
anything. It looks like a T-bone steak.
That's a
Yeah,
T-bone
does
steak
it tell
just
you
like this right here.
If it's individually wrapped, does it tell you what it is?
Yes, it says it on the box.
Comes in a box.
Okay.
You have the
You know
boxes
what?
at home.
Pardon me?
You have the boxes
No,
at
I
home.
don't have the box at home
You
anymore.
probably threw them away. That's
Okay.
not my
So,
fault.
do you have any?
I want my money back. That's all I want.
Do you have any type
Give me
of?
this meat back.
So we come
All
out here
I
once
want
a
is
year
my
with
money
Tractor
back.
Supply, so we message Tractor Supply ahead of time and get okayed with the manager here and stuff,
Okay.
the store manager and everything. And we come out here once a year. We do these sales once a year
Okay.
with Tractor Supply.
No, he sells this more than once a year. I want to see their license, their vendor license.
Do you have any licensing
I want
with
to
you or
see
anything?
their-
I don't physically have it on me, but
Well, then we should have
Miss
that.
Becky.
Come over here. Come over
Miss
here.
Becky.
And I would like to see.
All right, you.
The seller had a business license, but not the permit he needed to sell there. He agreed to stop selling until he got one. The customer, however, had other plans.
All right. So, what is it you would like done? You said you wanted your money back.
That's all I want.
Okay. That's gonna be between you two.
Yeah.
That's not
exactly.
I can't force him to give you your money back.
I've been telling him there's nothing I can do.
Well, you know what? And there's nothing I can do except tell everybody it's a real bad place and it's not meat that they're selling. It's horse meat. He knows it. I know it.
It's
You
not
know
horse meat. I don't know what
Listen,
makes you think it's horse meat.
What? You see anything on these packages that says it's USA?
How did
Anything you
how did
sell,
how did they come? How did they come whenever you bought them?
They come in a box.
Okay. No, I saw the box.
They came in a
I
box.
saw those boxes.
Yeah, that's exactly how
That's
it
it.
came.
That
Okay.
was the only thing that said that.
Did it come
Well-
like that when you bought them?
Yes. Yes. It came like that. It said it was.
Okay.
But when you taste the meat,
Yeah.
you will know it's not cow.
When did you have the meat?
When I ate the meat.
When was that?
When I ate it.
When you bought these steaks a year ago?
No, I bought them a half a year ago, and I've had
Okay.
them in between.
Okay, 6
You know,
months. So you've
6
had more
months.
than one.
No, I've probably had 3 of them.
But that's
Okay.
more than one.
Well, okay, what are we trying to do here?
No,
what are your
So-
what is your part in this?
You called me, so-
yeah, I'm calling you
Okay.
to say this man is not selling proper meat.
Okay.
He doesn't have a vendor's license. He doesn't have an FDA type of accommodation.
Okay.
He doesn't have anything from the state, from the agricultural department. And you're here arguing with me that I did something wrong.
I'm not arguing with
All
you.
I'm saying is, give me my money back.
Okay, that's up to
That's
him
all.
if he wants to give you your money
Well,
back.
right, and it's my thing of standing here and arguing. If you're not going to help me, then hey, you know what? Might as well go home. You know, you're really not doing nothing, are you?
What would you like me to do?
What I'd like you to do is, by the law, the man guaranteed something.
Where is the guarantee at?
Okay, he says, oh, I guarantee the meat. But you know what? When I asked him, he says, all I guarantee is against freezer burn.
Okay.
Now, who buys a fucking piece of meat that's guaranteed against freezer burn?
I'm not sure, but
Who
there's
cares?
some in that cooler.
This, what? What do you want to know about this?
No, this is the
Here.
money. This is the meat you bought, correct?
Yeah. So, what do you want to know? Is this freezer burn?
I'm not asking.
I don't really
I'm not
fucking
asking
know.
any questions.
All I want is my money back, and I'll go home.
Are you gonna give him his money back?
No, he can't give me my money back, so I'm going to stay here. And you know what?
If I own this business, I give your money back right now.
You know what? Well, then fine.
Let's
Make
give
it
it-
your business. You live with these people.
I'm a worker. I'm an
Yeah,
employee.
you know that this meat is brought up in Canada.
I
It's
know for a
horse
fact
meat.
it's not.
It's horse meat, okay, from Canada. It's sold down here. They say it's beef. It's not. They cannot come up with an FDA rating,
Okay.
okay? They cannot come up with a Florida state license. They can't come up with nothing, a vendor's license. So I believe at that point that this man is committing fraud.
Okay.
And by committing fraud, he owes me my money back. I brought the steak back, okay? I'm not bitching about here. It's not like I'm taking something, not paying for it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Here it is. You can have it back. That's all it is.
Okay. That's not gonna get figured out right now because he said he can't give you your money back.
Well, you know what? He can say anything. He can say he's Jesus Christ for all I know. You know?
Yeah.
And, you know, what do I believe? I'm sure if you shake him down, he's got $250 in his pocket. Because like me, you know what he did to me? He told me, I'll give you a deal. I'll let you have it for $220 if you pay me cash.
Okay.
And I was a stupid idiot thinking, okay, I paid him cash. So you know what? Mother.
We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
We're not doing
We're not
what?
sitting here arguing back and forth.
Okay, then you might as well go home.
Okay, that's
Okay,
fine.
I'll see you. I'm staying here
Have a
all
good day.
night.
Let me. Yeah. Let me go see if they want him trespassing. I'll be right back. No, you wanted to stay there. You wanted to stay there for a second. You want to stay there, right? You want to stay there?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if you can do that.
When the officer spoke to the manager, he said he didn't want to trespass anyone. He just wanted both men gone, though the officer would soon find out even that wasn't enough for the customer.
So Tractor Supply wants you gone for now.
Pardon me?
They don't want you actually trespass. They just want you off the property for now.
Who says that?
Richard, the manager in Tractor Supply.
Okay. So if I park across the street and walk over here, I'm cool?
If you're not illegally parked.
Where is this guy's parking lot? I would like to have that guy come out and tell me that I'm not allowed to stand in his lot.
I don't have to tell him
Appreciate
that.
Well, then, would you please do that for me? Would you have the owner of that business?
Why? So you can get in a confrontation with him?
No, so
Like you're
I
doing with
know
here?
what you said is
So
beautiful.
let me ask you something. Since I've gotten here, I've not been able to complete one full sentence with you. To have an adult conversation.
Have an adult conversation.
Okay. Any logical person
Yes.
buys meat. You say
Yes.
6 months ago. Even if it is 6 months. 3 of them are cooked. And you bring back part of them and you want a full refund.
I bring back 90% of it.
Okay.
90% of it I brought back.
Okay.
To be fair, there's 40
If I went to
steaks.
Publix and I had a piece of meat or a piece of fruit, and I go to Publix and I go to the front desk
Yep.
and says, hey, this was bad. They said, well, Mr. Spino, here, we'll give you a rebate. Go out and pick something else.
You're right. Publix will do that.
Yeah.
That's part of having
Now-
the freedom to shop where you want.
Okay. Now, the next thing I got to ask you is, where is his license? Where
already on
is
his phone.
his vendor license?
Would you like me to answer?
Yes, I would.
Okay.
Vendor license, USDA.
I'm going to give you one last chance. If
Okay,
you ask me a
go
question, I will answer.
Okay.
If you don't want to let me answer, then I will gladly
So
leave
good
and let
at
you go.
answering it. Well, you do what you got to do.
Okay.
You
He's
know?
got, I've had this discussion with him back there. He's got the license. He does not have a city permit to sell. And I've told him he cannot sell.
So
You haven't given me a chance to tell you that.
Okay.
He does not have a permit to sell, which he's been instructed to get. He cannot sell till further notice, until he gets that. Okay?
yeah.
He's been advised that. Tractor Supply's been advised of that as well. He has permission to be on this property from Tractor Supply. He does not have a permit to sell what he's selling.
Okay, so he doesn't have a permit. He doesn't have a Florida agricultural license.
Okay.
He doesn't have an FDA or whatever that one is.
Okay, since you're knowledgeable. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
Whoa,
I apologize.
no,
I apologize.
let you talk.
You're right.
Hey,
I apologize.
He has
You're
none
right.
of this paperwork that he needs. Okay? And you're telling me I am wrong that this man says, hey, you have to leave this area. I want that man to come out here and tell me I have to leave that. I have the right to confront my accuser. Maybe not here, but I do have the thing that say that, hey, the guy says you got to go off of this property.
Okay.
If this man said that, and you said you talked to him, no problem him coming out and telling me that.
Okay, he doesn't have to do that.
Well, I don't have to, just because you told me that this man said that this is his property, I can say, you know what? This is my property over here.
But we know it's not your property.
Why? How do you know that?
So why are we getting to the? Why are we
know?
acting like children over meat? You've already
why?
eaten 3 of them.
Because it's $240 that a fucking con man tried to beat me, and you're trying to pacify him and say he's a good man.
Did I not?
What the
I tell you what you did wrong. See how we're acting like adults?
Okay.
I told you what you done wrong.
Since you did that wrong, what are you going to do to punish him?
Have you called the Department of Agriculture
to punish him?
Have you called it?
Do you want me to?
Yes. That's who you're supposed to call in case
Isn't
like
that
this.
your job?
No.
That's not your job
No.
to see if this guy is legal here? What the is wrong with you?
Your complaint is about the
What
meat.
the is wrong with you when you can't say that I got to investigate?
That's all
I
the
have to
packaging
call
that you
these
buy
people.
this from? Did you buy this from us?
You know what? You're going to say, you know what? We're going to arrest you. Fine.
Can I explain
I never
Because you
said
know
that.
what? He's got his little beep recorder on. You have yours on. I did nothing wrong.
Can I
All
explain
I'm
something
asking,
to
no,
you?
you can't say a thing till I'm done. Because you're a con man.
Come on
you
over
know
here.
it.
Come on over here. You can tell me. I'll be right back. You good here?
Yeah.
Okay.
He does not have a permit. You know it, and you're not doing nothing about it.
Okay. I did something about it. I told him he couldn't sell.
Right now, what I'd rather have is just everybody leave, get off the property. You leave, get off the property. You're not trespassing. You're not either, but I should shut it down right now.
I wouldn't
You
let-
come back if you have to.
All right, 1 second, my permit is okay if I come back.
Yeah, we'll have to we'll go through that.
Okay. Well, my secretary is doing it right now.
I want this guy written up with citations right now.
They told
No
me it's
vendor's
the city-
license?
it's the city.
No
But I have the
FDA
business license, business
approval license, no agricultural committee.
What statute is that?
Well, no, you wait. Do you understand you're the cop here?
Yes.
You're supposed to know this stuff.
Okay.
But you said you know. So.
Yeah.
No, I didn't say I know.
You said you
No,
know.
I said
Alright.
I want him to be written up.
So I'll
I
go.
want him to be written up. Are you going to write this guy up for an infraction?
So I'm
For
gonna.
no permit. He had no permit to be here.
If you keep
He has no
interrupting me,
license.
then no, I'm leaving, and so are you.
You can leave. I don't really need you.
Well, I can't leave until I'm not leaving until y'all leave.
What the f*** do I care if you're here? You haven't done nothing for me. You're
It's a civil
not doing
agreement.
nothing.
You brought
You think I'm the agitator because I speak loudly.
no.
Okay?
No.
So I'm the agitator. The criminal here can go away because I'm so nice. I'm only selling, meat that, people don't even like to eat.
Okay.
But I am the bad guy here. But I want
mind
this
start
guy
packing this stuff up?
cited.
Can you move this?
I wanted him
Can you
cited.
move this?
This is the meat.
Yeah, can you move it?
Why?
It's yours, not mine.
No, it's yours because I'm returning it to you.
All right, can you put it in
I
the car or
am
something?
returning the meat to him.
Okay.
We understand that. Did I make something wrong?
That doesn't
I
necessarily
can't
mean he's returning the money right now.
Well, then I'm going to stay here until he returns me my money.
He wants you gone.
Well, he's got to let this guy go.
I'm trying to get my
Okay.
table back.
We'll be here till both of you leave. And if either one of you refuse to leave, whether it's him or you, we'll go to jail for trespass
Well,
after
I'll wait
warning.
till he's in, I'll leave.
I
No,
can't
that's
leave
not how
until
this
I get my
works.
stuff packed up, but I need
Oh,
some stuff
here.
moved.
Oh, this is really going to hold your ass up?
Yeah, I have to take everything
Here.
off. Yeah. That's all I was asking.
I will follow you no matter where you go.
No, that's not happening. I guarantee
That's
you.
gonna happen.
That's not happening.
You cannot tell me I can't
If
follow
I get a
this
restraining
guy.
Yes, I can.
You can get a restraining order. if
That's
you
called
want.
stalking. Yes, I can.
That's not stalking. That's
Well,
getting my
if
money
you knew
back.
the Florida law, like you
Well,
say,
then you can arrest me for stalking again.
well, right now we have trespass after warning.
Well,
If
then
you
you
can
can get me for trespassing
Okay.
without a warrant. I will leave.
turn around,
Okay.
put your palms together. Get that out of your hand. Stop. Stop.
So what do you think that's going to do? I got to move my car.
No, it's getting towed. Yeah, it's gonna get towed.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
This was simple.
Yeah, that's great. Fuck. Nobody wants cops in. I gotta unlock it, idiot.
You been drinking?
And you're concerned?
Where, you drinking- you drinking and driving?
Is that what you fucking give me now? You gonna make up charges?
No, I was just asking.
Are
Simple
you
question.
making up charges?
No,
Is
just-
that what you're doing, asshole?
The guy was given one last chance to leave. He refused, leaving the manager with no choice but to press trespassing charges. Later, he completed a court agreement that included a short behavior course and a few payments. After that, the trespassing charge was dropped. The case ended without a conviction, and no jail sentence appears in the court records.